Good morning. I woke up like this. Flawless. Might I suggest flawless. It is Saturday. Woo woo! Saturday. Not that I have any big plans. I've dropped off my boyfriend at the airport this morning at like 4:30. Whole place to myself, baby. You know what? Not a lot to do. So it is definitely weird when you get used to a schedule with someone every single day and like just kind of your normal, because like it's Saturday, we'd probably either go golf, go do something, or like hang out together and watch TV all day, or like all morning at least. He also usually gets me breakfast. I haven't had breakfast yet. It's actually 12:30. I've just been chilling in bed all morning. So let's get this day started. This is gonna be a little weekend in my life, I guess, vlog. But it's like hard to vlog when you don't have much to do. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's go into my contacts. Do I look like alfalfa right now? I have been so itchy and like sneezy and nose running. Allergies are in full effect. I wake up every morning needing to blow my nose, which is also a great motivation to get out of bed, if I do say so. Nothing like a new fresh towel, am I right? For skincare lately, I've been really minimal. To be honest, I've just like stopped caring for a little bit. It just gets exhausting caring so much all the time, doesn't it? This is a vitamin C serum that I got recently. I've used this before a couple times, but this is a new one and I ordered it online off of like Walmart's website, because that's where I used to buy at Walmart. I really did think it used to help with like redness and kind of brightness and evenness of your skin. This one that I got, like, smells different than the other ones that I've ever gotten. It makes me feel like it's not the same formula, first quality, or like not the real deal. That sucks. Also, if you didn't know, not a lot of houses, apartments, stuff like that in the Northeast in New England have air conditioners, and this last week is the first week that the weather's been in the 70s, which I'm not complaining. It has gotten a little bit hotter in our apartment. I'm like sweating just sitting around the house a little bit, not like a terrible sweat, but like, you know, a little bit of sweat, and I feel like it's bothering my skin. I also did pick at my face for a long time the other day, so I'm not helping the situation either. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Daily Moisturizer. Want to do something light. I'm thinking today I may run an errand or two. There's this really nice park area in Portland. It's a big old hill, and people like to just like lay out when the weather gets nice, you know, picnic, sunbathe, whatever, float your boat. I might go out there today and do a little bit of reading, soaking in the sun, getting that vitamin D. So I'm not going to do too much skincare. I don't know if I want to put on makeup, honestly. And I'll want to put on like some sunscreen before I leave anyways, so yeah. I think it's time for me to get a haircut. But the number for my hairdresser is in my car on a piece of paper, and I always forget to go get that number out or do it while I'm in the car. You know, I got up at like 9:30, 10, and I was like, I'll just go to McDonald's and get some breakfast. They do stop serving breakfast. What happened to all-day breakfast? It's not a thing up here though. I'll tell you that much. Have y'all ever used a tongue scraper? I love them. My mouth has truly never felt as clean as it is. I got a 2-pack off of Amazon. I'll like link them down in my bio. I'm telling you, a little difference that makes a big change. I would show you how nasty the tongue scraper is, but I don't want to gross you out. I do want you to continue to watch this video, so I won't do that. I'm about to sneeze. settled on leftover pizza. Honestly, it's so good. I'm pretty sure I've got stuff all over my face. But I've changed. Why is that sideways? I've changed into some like clothes to go out in more weather. I've got my tank top on. It's like 74 here, UV7. I'm gonna go out, read my book, hang out. Yeah, eating, then I'm gonna be heading out. I've made it, and honestly, the promenade's popping today. Like, people are out, they're laying out. It does seem like it might be a little windy, so I did bring a t-shirt in case I get cold. It doesn't really get hot in Maine. I need to put on a little sunscreen, then I'm gonna go lay out and read a book. I need to get off my phone. Like, that's truly what it comes down to. Like, I've got to get off my phone, I've got to relax, and I need to do some reading. Like, weekends are my prime reading time, because during the week, like, I truly don't want to, slash, got a pimple. Slash, I've got other things to do, so. Yeah, just a little preview of what the prom looks like. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. Look how green, okay? Was here for about an hour. Overall, great little sunbathing. Did I get much reading done? No. Because I sat maybe just a little too close to a group of people, and it's so hard for me not to just like eavesdrop the whole time. But I did read some, and then I also got a phone call, and I was on the phone for a while. But overall, like, I think maybe I got a little color. Beautiful day, little breezy, nice cool breeze. I'm glad that I came and got out of the house and like did this, because I think this is probably the hottest day for the next week, and then the high was like 74. Can you believe that? Like, it's May. I'm pretty sure it's like 90 or 100 in Oklahoma. I used this Turkish towel that I bought on Amazon last year. It comes with a little bag, you can roll it up and put it in. I just leave this in my car. That way, whenever I want to go do something like this, I just have this to throw on the ground and lay on top of. I think it is a little bit longer, but it's really only like a one-person type thing. There are food trucks out here, which is awesome. Like, I just love this area, and the houses over here are so pretty. Back home, maybe take a nice body shower, hang out and relax until dinner, which, do I know what I'm eating for dinner? No, probably leftover pizza again. Nothing wrong with that. No shame. Well, it's much later now, and you know, I showered. I've just been relaxing, enjoying my Saturday, doing nothing. And it's really late. I didn't really eat dinner. I ate the remaining chips in a bag of chips. They were buffalo and blue cheese, just so you know. They're good. I don't like have a desire to make anything, and it's already pretty late. I think I'm just gonna eat a few cuties and call it a night. I kind of tore up the inside of my mouth with those chips. A part of me like wants to make like a nice little cocktail, and then there's another part of me that wants to make a tea, and there's a part of me that wants a coffee right now. It's 9 o'clock, so I won't be doing some of those things. Yeah, I think the rest of the night I'm gonna read my book. I may play a few games of Fortnite. She's a gamer. Yeah, that's it. I've just felt so weird being here by myself. I'm not used to it. I'm really not. Yeah, we'll pick this up tomorrow. So good night. See you on the other side. Things have taken a slight turn. I don't want to tell you this, but I did just eat a hard-boiled egg. Anyways, I'm going through a hard-boiled egg phase. That's besides the point. Decided what goes better with a hard-boiled egg for dessert rather than a mug cake. So we're gonna do a little mug rainbow chip cake mix. So easy. Just 3 easy steps. Empty this stuff into the mug, add some milk, microwave it up. Then when you're done, got a little treat of some icing too. I'll get back to you when I'm done. Okay, I tried something different with my eggs this morning. Also, good morning. Good morning. This is what they look like. I saw something on TikTok about someone adding breadcrumbs, like buttered breadcrumbs to their eggs, making it kind of like a crunchy egg scramble. So I tried that today for the first time. Let's do a little taste test. Okay, not really much of a difference. But it does taste good. Like, maybe I should have added more. Did get a little bit of a crunch in there, and it was good. It's got a nice, like, buttery bread taste. Maybe, like, the bread crumbs absorb the butter and make your eggs, like, butterier. I think I'll try it again, but, like, with a ton more breadcrumbs. Okay, I'm gonna eat my breakfast. So here's the deal. I've been on my phone for a total of nearly 6 hours today. Tell me how that happened. I think that's also counting like past midnight last night, but still. I gotta get out of this house. I'm gonna go for a walk, and then I'm gonna try to stay off my phone like the rest of the day. I've been reading my book a little bit. If you're interested in A New York Minute by Kate Spencer. I'm about that much done. I want to read more of this today, but I'm gonna go on a walk, and then I'm gonna try to be productive and like vacuum, maybe freshen up the bathroom. I have to unload the dishwasher too, so that's another thing. We're gonna go on for a walk and then clean up around here. Maybe go to the grocery store too. I really need to maybe like meal prep for this week, because I don't think if I don't meal prep, like I don't know that I'll eat this week, to be honest, because lazy. All right, so I'm gonna change and go for a walk. It's 64 degrees outside, which sounds a bit chilly to me. I need it to be like at least 75. You know what I'm saying? Great walk, if I do say so myself. Great weather, not too cold. I am sweating slightly. I got about 2 miles in, which is great for me. Just hitting the 30-minute. I'm done tidying up. I'm happy with the place. Now I'm sitting down. It's around 6 o'clock. I think I'm gonna end this video here. I had a nice relaxing weekend, and you know what? It's not over yet. I'm gonna like take a shower and relax and just enjoy the rest of my evening. Watch my shows. Succession comes out. Barry. I'm watching the Celtics right now. So yeah, it's been a great weekend. Just very relaxing. Like I said, it's weird because I was alone all weekend. But you know what? Sometimes you need that. Sometimes you need that in your life. I think I'm gonna go to the grocery store later too, so that way I can meal prep for this week. Stay tuned for that video. I think I'm gonna do a whole video over meal prepping. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye.